nganing-nganing sang ngapuru mana. Puabat dari suri ngapurang layang kapuasa mangke.
A city becomes a rendezvous point for many individuals. An encounter of human ideas, actions, and works. An assembly that builds boisterousness of the city. Human interaction in city space brings a new culture that breeds local cultural practices. A city that competes, respects social cultural diversity and sustainability of the universe. The economic, social, cultural, and environmental promote sustainable city development. The practice of comprehensive local culture makes Buleleng a city full of incredible intangible cultural heritage. A cultural heritage from generations and continuously created by the community. An interaction with the nature and history gives a continuous feel of identity to respect every cultural difference and human creativity.
Kedaduan sir ramu